Okay, so here are the updates that I've done to my online learning portal. So here's what's new. So when you visit my website, like if you're a student on my website, all you need to do is simply scroll and go to your enrolled courses. Okay, click on the course that you actually enrolled in. So in this case, I'm going to click on the forex course. Okay, so here's what's new. So as of now, like learning. So here's what I've done. So learning continuously is kind of boring. So what I've done is that I've actually added assignments or questions and stuff like that. And most importantly, like when you complete learning from my website, you're going to get a free certificate generated automatically. So here's what's new. So in every topic, when you finish a topic, okay, you'll be requested to answer some questions to help you understand or help you test yourself to know if what you've learned you've really understood and stuck in your mind. So what you need to do is, okay, come back to any topic, then scroll down. You're going to find, for example, here there's the introduction to forex quiz, and as you can see, it's currently pending because I've already submitted it. So when you click on the details, you'll be able to see the feedback from the instructor here. Okay, so let me try to check, okay, a different topic. So that topic is this one here. So all I need to do is simply click on the topic 2 questions, then I'll be asked to click on the start quiz, and as you can see, I only get to have like one attempt and there are like 6 questions. So click on start quiz. By the way, this is introduction to trading and the second topic. Then you'll be asked to say explain why you need to use a forex journal. So in the course, you're going to learn about why you need to use this forex journal. So simply writing the reason according to what you've learned or according to what you think is the answer or correct. So writing anything you want, click on next. Okay, then you'll be asked to explain what time frames are. So the more you go, the harder it gets. So for example, if you go to the last topic, which is the psychology, trading psychology, this is where you're going to find some hard questions. For example, simply click on start quiz. For example, what encourages you to keep on going instead of changing your path or giving up? Okay, write in your answer. Okay, how do you handle losses? When do you emotionally take control? Okay, so when you answer these questions, I'll be able to know and understand, okay, if you're really ready to, okay, go live in the forex markets or go big. So I guess this is the update I have. Okay, so I'm continuously working on my course. I'm continuously adding more content. I'm continuously making it better and see how best it can help you in your trading journey. So if you're interested in enrolling in this course, simply click the link in the description or contact me and I'll be able to help you. This is Rainz, and bye for now.